Let's take a look at the following problem. What is the angle between the lines 5xy minus 2 equals 0 and 3x 2y, 7 equals sine 0? Looking at this type of problem, the first thing we think of is the angle formula we learned before. Cos theta equals the dot product of vectors m and n divided by the magnitude of multiplied by the magnitude of n. But we need to find these two vectors from the given lines. Right, let me draw this to see. The first line is y equals sine 5x. 2, drawing it should look like this. So which vectors do we need to find? We need to find their direction vectors. Let's shift it over in parallel. I'll assume the horizontal component is 1 based on equal slopes. The vertical component should be 5, so I found one vector, its m vector equals 1, 5. Using the same method we can calculate the other line, this 3x, 2y, 7 equals sine 0. Its direction vector n should equal 1, 3/2 after shifting it over. Right, good, now that we've found both vectors we can calculate the angle between them. This cos theta, since the range of angles between two lines is 0 to 90 degrees. So when we calculate theta, it must be between 0 and 90 degrees. Let's calculate m vector dot n vector, m vector dot n vector. That's 1x1 plus 5x, 3/2. Below we have 12 plus 52 multiplied by 12 plus 3/2, 2. This calculates to 2, 2. So the angle theta equals P4, therefore the angle theta equals P for good. But besides this method, is there another approach? This is the angle formula we're learning today. What is this angle formula? For these two lines, the tangent value tan theta equals k1 k2 plus 1 k1 k2, where k1 k2 is the absolute value. Let's try calculating with this formula. The slope k1 equals 5k2 equals 3/2. Let's calculate theta using this. The numerator k1, k2 is 532, which equals 5 plus 2 slash 3. The denominator is 1 k1 x k2, that's 100 plus 5x, 3/2. Let's calculate. The numerator is 5 plus 2 slash 3, that's 15 slash 3 plus 2 slash 3, which equals 17/3. The denominator is 1 plus 1 plus 7, 5, which equals 8.5. So we get tan theta equals sine 17/25. 5, we take the absolute value since the angle between two lines, theta, is in the range of 0, 90 degrees, or 0, P2, so we can also find that theta equals P4, so this formula can be used. Remember it, use it directly to find angles between lines.